Hey guys, I'm making this quick video if you have Alienware, the AW2724DM, and you're looking for the best settings. So this is something I found and maybe it's going to be beneficial to you. So the first thing is that you want to have the resolution that is going to be like the native and for the best quality, refresh rate as high as possible, response time you want to go super fast or extreme if you can change it, then brightness, so typically about 70 to 80%, contrast you can go about 75 to 80% too, then sharpness go with the default 50%, the color temperature go with the red 97, a green 99, and blue go with 96. Now when you're gonna have it, you're gonna have also preset modes. So use a standard for general use, game mode for gaming, and sRGB for photo editing. Then you can enable G-Sync to reduce screen tearing, overdrive set to extreme for competitive gaming, and black stabilizer adjust to medium settings. Then response time you can go fast or super fast, low blue light you can enable it during long usage, and dynamic contrast you can generally keep this off for consistent image quality, and enable for more uniform brightness and color across the screen for the uniformity. So I just want to make this quick video for you, and have a great day and goodbye.